Hello, I'm Kshitij from India, Jaipur, living in Jaipur, Bajaj Nagar. In India, tomorrow is means 13th November 2012 is Diwali. So I have many fireworks. Like this is Fulchadi. This means electric. This means there is a stick. I will show you. There is a stick of gunpowder, and you have to burn it. It will spark so much, but it will dangerous and not. It will not hurt you. You have to. You have to hold it in your hand, and it will not dangerous. This is Fulchari. This is bullet. It is very dangerous. You have to first. You have to uh, yeah you have to put out it's like a bullet. It's like a mini bullet. It's this much of size. It's this much of size, and I will open it first. Okay, so okay, so
दूसरा पकड़ता है, मैं खोलता हूँ उसका दूसरा बोलकर.
मैं खोलूँ. So you अच्छे से वीडियो लेना यार. First you have to open like this and this. See, zoom in please. Zoom. No, zoom in please. Yeah. See. First it will type of shower, sparks of shower will come out, and then after 5 seconds or 6 seconds it will burst very harshly. The sound is very good and it is very nice. So now I will put it. I think it's it's 10 pieces. You can see on the box. Zoom out, full zoom out.
Full zoom out.
Zoom out. Yeah, my brother is doing his song also, that's why. When I तब मैं zoom in करी कहूँ तो ऐसे पास लाना है. ठीक है, zoom out करी कहूँ तो ऐसे दूर लाना है.
Mini bullet.
Yeah. So Cock brand is the most famous in whole India and most best. Now this is Fulchadi. You can see it's like this. You can see it's like a wire, a copper wire. A copper wire is there and the end of the hair, so it will very good. I will not open it because it's very dangerous. I do. Actually, it's good. Not so much dangerous. This is the most dangerous in this both. So I will open it. Okay, no problem. I will open first box only.
हाँ.
1 minute please. Yeah, I'm opening it.
पकड़ 2 मिनट के लिए पकड़. Yes.
You can hear the sounds. That is not any monkey sound. This is the Ladi. I will show you. It's good. See, you can see this. This is, you can see, yeah, these type. You have to burn. You have to keep it so long on the tip of the candle to burn it, and it spark like this. Not exactly same, but yeah. So I opened a new pack, and then यहाँ से mercury है, and then I keep it. Okay, so you have seen this. You like this? Thank you. So you have seen this, and this. Okay, all the boxes have same thing. Now I will show you the great thing, and I brought it first time, the Akash Chakra. Now I will show you the Akash Chakra. This is so good. Akash means sky and Chakra means it go like this. You can see it's go like this. Not exactly same, but it's go like this. And it is, I brought it first time. The company is Sony, not Sony TV and all. It is Sony Fireworks. It's a Indian company named that Sony TV one, but it is different. The website is I will show you. Yeah, the website is it's not clear. I will tell you. The website is www.sonyfireworks.in. Fireworks. S will come. And now I will show you. See, this is the stand. Because it's dangerous. If you show it on someone, I think he got serious injury or maybe dead. Actually, it's normal. It's not banned in India, but you have to be careful while using this and keep tightly. Okay. See, this is you have to burn this thread. It's thread, but it will not burn very slowly. It is very fast. Just one spark of that matchstick, it will burn very quickly with the sparks, and then in 5 seconds it will go here and a boom sound will come, and then this will happen. You can see this will happen. This is called Akash Chakra. I have to burn it, that's why I'm keeping very that. I will show you tomorrow that see on my channel that I will make tomorrow video. Diwali is our biggest festival. You know that Diwali is the biggest festival made in India. Now I'll show you that rocket, whistling rocket. You know that NASA's rocket and all. But this is different. My video time is going to over, so it will take few minutes to upload this one and making this one. Okay, so subscribe my channel for watching my more videos, unboxing videos. Especially do work for unboxing. You can see that this is rockets. I will show you one. Yeah, see, this is a stick. If it will broke, so don't try to burn it. Okay, don't try to burn it. And in every that cracker, this is the main thing, is not have to be come out or broken. So please be okay, and put it in bottle, in heavy bottle, not in a plastic bottle, in a glass bottle. You have to not Coke, but it is heavy, or in a fan bucket you have to and please burn the point. It will burn very fast and go. It will go in the sky and burst with the sound of whistle. This type of sound. Okay, now I will keep it. And please be safe of fire. If you burn here, so very serious problem. Okay, just put it and burn fire under adult. Now keep it. This is golden willow rocket. This is also type of a rocket, 10 pieces, and that is also 10 pieces. Yeah. Different? Yes, it is very different. This is a golden willow rocket. that is nothing. That is only make sound of whistle like this. That one, not this one. No, this is very, very different. But it is a very dangerous and a very good one. It make this design in high in the sky. So in America or in your country, first you have to take permission of government and all. But in India, on Diwali, on any day, you can burst these. It is a very, very, very good one. Someone is calling me, but I will do some. So now I show you only just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and in the next video I will just shoot it after 5 minutes, okay, and then I'll upload it. So okay, bye.